Most people think the sun is just a giant campfire in space, but here is the truth. Everything you have been told is a lie. The sun does not burn like wood. There is no oxygen in space. Instead, it's a violent nuclear engine crushing 600 million tons of hydrogen every single second. At its core, the pressure is so heavy, like millions of elephants stepping on a needle, that it forces atoms to smash together against their will. This is nuclear fusion, and the light it creates is being trapped inside for 1 lakh years just trying to reach you. Once you see what's really happening inside, you will never look at the sunset the same way again. Think about the air around you. It feels light, right? Now imagine the center of the sun. There is 250 billion times stronger pressure than air on Earth. It is so crowded that atoms have no choice but to collide into each other. When they crash, they stick, and when they stick, they release a massive blast of energy. Scientists on Earth are trying to build machines to do this, but the sun does it perfectly every day. It's a giant tug of war. Gravity pulls everything in, while the explosion pushes everything out. If that balance ever broke, the sun would not just go out, it would explode. Here is the part that will blow your mind. When a small spark of light called a photon is born in the core of the sun, it wants to leave, but it can't. The sun is so thick and packed with particles that the light gets lost. It's like being a crowded stadium and trying to reach the exit, but you keep bumping into the people. The light bounces left, then right, then backward. It's a slow, messy struggle. What should take seconds actually takes 1 lakh years. That means the sunlight hitting your skin right now has started its journey before humans even had a written language. But the moment it finally breaks free from the surface, it zooms. It hits top speed, crossing 150 million kilometers to reach your eyes in just 8 minutes. The sun does not have a solid floor like Earth. If you tried to land there, you would just fall through a boiling ocean of hot, glowing gas called plasma. It is constantly moving, rising, falling, and twisting, and hidden inside giant invisible rubber bands made up of magnetism. Sometimes these bands get twisted too tight and snap. They explode the power of millions of nuclear bombs. We call it as solar flares. These flares can eject out huge clouds of hot material into space, moving at millions of miles per hour. It is not a peaceful star, it is an active, bubbling monster. If the sun is constantly throwing these space burbs at us, why are we still alive? Because Earth has a secret superpower. Deep inside our planet, we have a magnetic core that creates an invisible shield all around us. When the violent winds of sun hit Earth, our shield catches them and bounces them away. Without it, the sun would blow our atmosphere away and we would have no air to breathe. We are not just living near the sun, we are surviving because our planet has a strong hold. Sunlight feels warm and peaceful, but now you know the truth. Behind that light, there is a story of extreme pressure, a 1 lakh year struggle, and a giant engine that never stops working. The sun is the boss of our solar system. It protects us, feeds our plants, and keeps us warm. So the next time when you feel the sun on your face, remember you are feeling energy that fought for thousands of years just to find you. If you could travel to the sun for 1 second without getting hurt, what is the one thing you would want to see? Let me know in the comment section below. Hit a like to this video, share this video with your fellow space lovers, and subscribe to Galaxora for more space documentaries.